What's up there, everybody? Zeke in the kitchen again, about to bake something good. I'm about to do molten lava cakes. Y'all know what those are? Well, this is gonna be my first time trying them too. But it's gonna be a little cake in a little ramekin, and inside should be molten chocolate when you crack it open with the spoon. So I'm about to make it right quick, and I'll be right back. Hope this come out right, y'all.
Alright, you want to start off by taking some water and simmering in a pot. And I'm going to take my glass bowl and put over it. Just like that. Just like that. Y'all see that? Now in that, I want to put 6 ounces of chocolate. So that's 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And we're going to let this melt down. Y'all see that? Alright. Right, y'all see the chocolate melting? Now to this chocolate, we want to add a stick and a half, 1 stick and a half of butter. This is unsalted butter. Alright. You can use salted butter, but this is unsalted butter because I'm going to add salt to the mixer. So let this melt in. Alright, y'all see that? See the chocolate and the butter has melted. Now in there I want to add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of instant espresso coffee ground. Instant. Okay. Now let me stir this in. After that, we're going to do our mixture over there with the eggs and the sugar. Alright, be right back. You can see all this is combined, so this is done. I can turn it off. Turn it off. Let me see if this bowl hot. Yeah, this bowl hot. So turn it off. And I'm about to take it off of the stove. Hold up. Take it off and put it over here. Let that cool a little bit. Now I'm going to start on the eggs and the sugar. Alright, in my bowl here, I got 3 eggs in there. 3 eggs. I'm about to add a half a cup of sugar. So 3 eggs, a half a cup of sugar, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Remember, because I didn't have any salt in that butter. And I'm about to add also a little vanilla extract. Let me pour this a little. That's good. About a teaspoon of that. And I'm about to get my mixer and mix it up till it's good and fluffy. Alright, be right back. Y'all see how, as y'all can see. Alright, you see how thick that thing got? That's how thick it's supposed to be. Alright, now we're about to add the chocolate in there. The chocolate little at a time so it won't cook the eggs. Be right back. Alright, let's add the chocolate to this. Like I say, we're going to add a little bit at a time. Because it's still warm. We're going to add a little bit at a time so it won't. See that? Stir a little bit at a time so it won't curdle the eggs. Let's continue stirring it in. What a process, huh, y'all? And a blind man doing it by myself. A little bit at a time. A little bit at a time. Alright, let me stir this. I'll be right back. Alright, look at here. Look how thick this is. So all the chocolate is mixed in with that. And see, with these cakes, you put very little flour in there. So in here, I'm about to stir in about 6. This is about 6 tablespoons of flour. because this is what's going to help it set up. So it's in there. So about 6 tablespoons of flour. And that's it. Stir this in. Now, I'm about to butter up my ramekins and put some flour on it so it won't stick. Alright, that's it, y'all. This is the batter. Let me incorporate all this in. Be right back. Pioneer Lady ramekins. I got them buttered up, but I'm about to do a test one. So, got one right here. What is it? Got one right here buttered up. Put some flour in it. And, you know, dust it around. Be right back. There go my batter all together. I'm going to take a scoop. Take an ice cream scoop. Like this. And put it in my ramekin. It's in my ramekin. I got my oven set at 350. About to put it in between 10 and 12 minutes. And we're going to see what we got. Off it goes. Alright, y'all, it's been in for 10 minutes. Let's take it out. Yeah, that's it right here. There we go. I see it. Been in for 10 minutes. About to put it in the cooling rack. Let it sit for a minute. Then we're going to turn it over. Hope y'all can see it. Alright, there we go. Alright, got it turned upside down on the plate. Alright, this ramekin is still very hot. So let me lift it up. See, can I grab it and lift it? It's hard to lift. Come on, lift up. Lift up. Alright. There we go. Y'all see it? Alright. Now let's add some ice cream to it and let the lava flow, baby. See if y'all can get a good look at it. There you go. Alright, there you go, y'all. Now I'm about to take some powdered sugar and sprinkle it over it. And we're going to get some ice cream. Alright, let's put a scoop of ice cream on the side right there. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, let's open it up and see if it's molten. Let's see.
Okay.
Alright, my mom said to try this and see when she open the middle up, will it flow out?
Oh, yes.
Yes, it did?
Uh-huh.
I got this scoop of ice cream on there.
Mm.
Alright, y'all. That goes the lava cakes. I did it. Bye. Alright, let me taste this, y'all. I made mama once. Here go mine's right here. Whee, here go mine's. Now let's taste this. Ice cream. And my molten lava cake. Oh, this is good. If I've been getting all this way back. This is good, y'all. First time making it. And this is a hit. Alright. Like I say. Y'all see me make it? Go make you some. Bye.